Have you ever envisioned embarking on a journey to establish your own business while assisting companies in expanding their reach online? The allure of creating a digital marketing agency is undeniable, especially in an era where every business seeks to attract customers who are predominantly found online. The prospect of making a significant impact in the digital landscape makes it a lucrative business opportunity worth exploring. The first stride toward your agency's foundation is acquiring essential digital marketing skills. Delving into realms such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, email marketing, and content marketing is vital. The paths to acquiring knowledge are abundant. Online courses, certifications, and practical application serve as invaluable resources. Embracing these skills equips you to meet businesses' diverse needs, ensuring you are well prepared for the dynamic world of digital marketing. Narrowing your focus to a specific niche can be your agency's secret weapon. Rather than attempting to serve every sector, honing in on areas like real estate, healthcare, law firms, or e-commerce allows your business to shine amid the competition. Being a specialist increases your visibility and helps you connect with clients seeking targeted expertise. Establishing a strong business plan is the cornerstone for sustained growth. Define your services meticulously, outline your target audience, and decide on pricing structures. Consider whether you will offer monthly retainers, project fees, or performance-based pricing. This clarity lays the foundation for your agency's success. Once your strategy is in place, it's time to formalize your operations by registering your business. Selecting an appropriate business structure, such as an LLC or corporation, not only legitimizes your agency but also protects your personal assets. Establishing your online presence is crucial in this digital age. Creating a professional website that highlights your services, pricing, and success stories will draw potential clients in. Profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram bolster your visibility further, helping potential clients find you. Finding your first clients can seem daunting, yet utilizing platforms like LinkedIn for outreach, engaging with networking events, and requesting referrals can kickstart your client acquisition. By showcasing a commitment to resolving their challenges, you position yourself as a trusted partner. As your client base grows, consider scaling through hiring freelancers or specialists in various fields. This strategy not only improves efficiency, but also establishes a robust agency capable of navigating the complexities of digital marketing.